amazing husband got up this morning and went to the store because we needed fries for the fish fry, right? And guess what? He ain't get no fries. Good morning. Good morning. Today's a beautiful day. Today's a sunny day, in the words of Callie. So we just got a lot going on. There I go saying a lot. I may be exaggerating. Oh, let me say this. I'm DeeDee. If this is your first time tuning in, please feel free to go ahead and click the subscribe button. To all my other subscribers, all my subscribers, let me say that. Thank you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. Y'all, this thing right here was a dress that I had ordered from Shein like a couple months ago. It's too big, so child, I made it a rope. But anyway, Adrian's at the store. My mama came yesterday. She's upstairs with the kids. I'm about to cook breakfast. Adrian's friend Marcus and his wife Janae are coming over today. They live in Alexandria, Louisiana. They're in town for a couple days. They're gonna come over today. We're gonna fry fish. Y'all know how I feel about fish. I'm so excited. So I think we're gonna do fillets, like whole catfish fillets and buffalo rib. They like buffalo rib. I think Adrian would eat buffalo rib too. Buffalo rib is okay, it's not bad, but I prefer catfish and catfish fillets. So for breakfast, I think I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm gonna cook some sausage. We're gonna have biscuits or we're gonna have toast. I'm not gonna make no pancakes because we're gonna eat good later on. Now, if there is a little overcast outside, we may put up a little, the little slip and slide you can put on the ground and put water on them. They do that for the kids. But let me show you how this little makeshift robe I got. Y'all remember this gown? I got this at Walmart last week. Y'all saw it in the last vlog, and it fits really good. But yeah, so that's what we got going. So I'm excited. I think I just got to put some drinks in the refrigerator. Adrian went to the store actually to get fries. Him and Marcus both bought fish. I don't know what time we doing the fish, but if I had to guess, I would say like around 1, maybe. It's like 8:20 right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna start breakfast, but I just wanted to give y'all a quick little intro because I'm excited, because I'm excited about this fish. And then, yeah, I have to hit y'all up on the line, and probably after I get through getting breakfast. And breakfast is served. We got croissants, applesauce, and sausage, and Adrian moved the table in the living room for the kids. All right, that's yours, Cal. Let me go get yours, okay, Cam? I think I'm just gonna make me some coffee because I have been craving coffee because I haven't had coffee in 2 days. Y'all know I drink coffee every morning because I feel like I need it to get to work, but I think I'm gonna just do coffee and a piece of toast. I guess my husband getting the drinks ready. I just see that. And then we got some stuff to do. Y'all know when people come over, you gotta straighten up. Adrian already did, so I'm gonna straighten it up. So I'm gonna just kind of go behind. And I like to have the house smelling fresh. I don't have the candle. It's like a linen scent that I typically like. I don't have that, but I have lemon. Same. I'm gonna like that. Put a little Fabuloso. Wipe the candles down with a little Fabuloso so it feels nice and fresh, even though we're gonna be outside. I don't know if we eating outside or if we eating inside, but the house just gotta be fresh when people come in. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I am rushing. I'm nervous that we're not gonna make chow. I didn't know they were coming at 12. Well, did I know they was coming at 12? Y'all, I feel like I'm rushing. It's like, I don't know, it's just a lot going on. And then Adrian was like, well, they'll be here in a minute. In a minute, y'all took my gown on. We've been straightening up. Adrian been outside doing stuff. I've been inside doing stuff to cook. The kids upstairs with mama. I gotta find something and throw it on. And then I just started sweating. I'm like, I'm gonna have to give me a little whole bath right quick and throw my clothes on because I feel like I'm sweating up in here. And I know it's from the coffee, but the house look good. So if don't nothing else, baby, the house smell like Fabuloso. It smell like candles. The bathroom clean. Everything good. So I just gotta find me something to throw on right quick. This is the fit check. This old throwback, old fashioned over outfit. The top, and then the top is kind of like, I'm gonna have to turn around and let y'all see it, but it's kind of low in the back. Not low, but hold on. Okay, this is how the shirt is in the back. Very cutesy, very just whatever. But anyways, this is just a comfortable outfit to throw in. I'm gonna take my hair down. I was gonna wear my hair down, but y'all, it is hot. The weather is just getting out of hand lately. Do you hear me? So I'm gonna just take it down, and then I'm going to put it in a ponytail. I've been putting oil on my edges, y'all, because I told you my edges are thinning, like right here. So I have been putting oil on at night. And I have been putting oil on in the morning, so hopefully in a couple of months I can see some type of growth stimulation going on, but I guess we'll just see. Uh-oh. I thought I was done. Boom. So yeah, I'm just gonna put this in a ponytail. Come on, hair. Come on, hair. That would be cute. I'm still too hot for that though. But listen, y'all, I am just now getting ready. Like, I literally finished my ponytail and then the doorbell rung. So I just went, let them in or whatever. So I'm gonna go back in here and socialize. But I just want to show y'all what my outfit look like. Look at I got the kids playing Play-Doh. Kelly, are you having fun?
Yeah.
You are?
Yes.
Let me see your dino, Cam. Let me see that one. This one right here. You gonna pick it up so I can see it?
Ooh,
No, that one.
It's a
Thank you. Let's see what's on here.
Ooh, tastes so good.
Oh, it looks good, Cam. Bless you. Cam, are you okay? Okay, well, take a deep breath, please. Thank you. Cam got mama making all the dinosaurs. Now, I told him, I said, if you want this dinosaur thing, let me see it. I said, if you want this, Cam, you're going to have to do it. He said, okay. And what he do? Keep bringing them to mama. She done made 8. Bless you. Bless you. So I let them play Play-Doh to keep them occupied. But then Cam keep coming over here every second trying to get the dinos made. So my amazing husband got up this morning and went to the store because we needed fries for the fish fry, right? And guess what? He didn't get no fries. He just now realizing he don't have fries. So yeah, so I'm at Walmart. I'm in my mama car because I couldn't get out. So I got to get fries, some beer, and then I think get some ice. Janae, Marcus's wife, she likes wine, so I'm gonna go ahead and get 2 bottles of Moscato because that's the kind she said. She like, I ain't finna get nothing else. I hate it when you come to people's house and they're like, hey, what do you like to drink? And you tell them and then they get something different. Get what people like, unless it's unreasonable, like if it's really expensive. So I'm gonna get her 2 bottles of wine, and then they say, y'all, it's so hot. I really just been sitting in the car for 5 minutes. I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and turn my camera on before I go in the store. I really don't want to get out, but I don't have a choice because I'm hungry. Then I'm gonna stop and get the kids some Chick-fil-A. Yeah, it's like 90 degrees out here. Let me get a buggy because I know I'm gonna need one. Y'all, this store is packed. It is literally packed. I'm just looking for potatoes. I'm looking for some coffee there. I use Donut Shop coffee and they are out of Donut Shop coffee. They're even out of the generic brands. So, girl, they don't even have the fries we want. We get the steak fries, and do y'all see steak fries? I feel like I be missing stuff sometimes. We usually get that kind, the crinkly, but we want steak. Child, they ain't got them. Oh, here they go. See, here I go. Not looking good enough. I think I'm done. I got Asian drink Michelob Ultra, but this is like ultra light or something, my fries. And then I got the Stella Rosa D'Asti Moscato wine for Janae. I got her 2 bottles. And I got the kids some pickles, big size pickles. And child, I think that's it. I'm gonna leave, and then I gotta get the ice. Catfish. I think that's filet. And we got buffalo ribs in here, so buffalo ribs.
My wife allowed me to start using
allow you to what?
My cooking stand now.
What are you talking about? The propane cooking stand?
I've been here. She ain't gonna use it.
No, I didn't care about you using it. I just didn't think it needed to be close to the house, stored close to the house. Whatever. That fish look really good from here, even though it's raw.
So, son-in-law, you bought the fish cooker?
Well, it's just a cooker, I think.
So it's a stand.
I pulled up in that 18th, let it repeat buggy. Had to switch the hue cause I'm LA boy smuggy, but more likely to get hurt by somebody who love me. My lady, she don't trust me. Know I'm a sick puppy. Know that women throw themselves at me and men want me. Anything could happen for attention and rent money. I got so much on my plate, that's why I sit funny. So many handouts, so much back bending, so much entitlement. My family be acting in so many white diamonds. Yeah, I got jungle fever, but they didn't raised me so. Shout out black women, so much commenting. Show me what you good at. Tell me the highs of the valley that your boots stood at. You couldn't fit in my loafers if you took a steroid, and I wouldn't handle your baggage if I had a bellboy. I'm really replying to texts, barely enjoying the sex. I got a pain in my chest, that's from suppressing the stress. Lionel, he know me the best. Told me I know the answer, but Clancy, he gave me the best advice that I heard in a sec. I need to call me a jet, I need to pack me a bag, I need to give me a cab, and need some scrimmage and chess. I could've bought me some land, I wouldn't flood in my neck. I say this shit with my chest, I'm like one of the best. I'm a workaholic and I need to give me some rest. I'd rather get these ideas off, I'd rather not steer off my path. I'm so scared of going back to my past. I work, I swear it's hard not shaking that fear off. White boy said I brag too much, the black kid said it's inspiring. Duality is tiring, my girl would kill me if she knew the things I was desiring. Suppressing it, get it out the way, I put the sirens in, yeah.
So guys, we outside camping with the
Water slide.
water slide. So we went to the water park. So I had so fun, guys.
Good job.
Guys, we outside. So guys, I'm so excited, so excited. I'm so excited to show you something. I'll call you guys.
All right. I am so tired. Child, my ankles hurt. My legs hurt. I'm just all over the place. I'm tired. I feel like I'm tired because my iron is low. I have an appointment on Monday for an ultrasound of my, stomach or whatever, just so they can see if I have fibroids possibly, because I have been bleeding for I don't even know how many days now. And so just a little worried, and I feel like just from that, losing a lot of blood, already being iron deficient, I am tired, like tired. So I just got my feet propped up. The kids are upstairs. Hopefully I'm asleep. Adrian went to work this morning, and I think he only went to sleep for like 2 hours, and then like cooked the fish and all that. I was doing stuff in the house with the kids, so I didn't get a chance to film him frying the fish, and I really wanted to. I think I just got video of the fish afterwards or whatever, which y'all probably not already seen now. But yeah, I'm tired, and it's like 11 o'clock, so I'm trying to just relax, prop my feet up so the swelling in my ankles can go down, and then I'll go get in the bed. But yeah, Mama is tired, but I had so much fun. It was really nice. I mean, of course, we didn't do nothing but talk and eat, but just good company. It was nice. The kids had fun on the slide. It was just a really good day. Hello, beautiful people. So I didn't do any vlogging today, actually, because I'm so tired. I just feel like I'm playing catch up. I got a lot to do. But hold on one second. I'm gonna run that water in y'all ear. I bought these flowers when I went to Walmart when I was getting the wine and stuff, and I couldn't remember if I showed y'all that I got flowers. But I got them just, because we had company, and I was like, oh, it would be cute to get some flowers and put some fresh flowers out. Child, I got busy. I ain't putting nothing out. So I'm just about to cut them down a little bit, because this vase I have, it's not that tall, so I'm gonna just cut them down. And dilly-dally around. Put them in here or whatever. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but I'm gonna just do that right quick. You know what? I think I need a bag. I really don't want to make a mess because I just cleaned this counter. Give me a second. Way too tall, baby. Is that still too tall? What y'all think? Let me know in the comments if I'm cutting it too tall. Because I don't really know how to make flower arrangements. I just know I like flowers. So, I do know you're supposed to cut at a slant, according to Martha Stewart. But anyway, So I'm gonna just play with these and then I'll show y'all, I guess, what it look like because I don't want to hold y'all too long. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to getting my ultrasound done just to see if there is something. If there's not anything, then great. If it is something, then let's just get it taken care of and move accordingly, you know. So I think I'm like really anxious to get it done. Hopefully you can explain some things. If it doesn't, then I don't know what I'm gonna do, child. I may have to think about, well, I don't want to put it out in the universe, but I have been thinking, I ain't gonna lie, about getting a partial hysterectomy. I have discussed it with people that's not, when I say people, I mean like outside of Adrian and my mama, and I talk to other people about it. They're like, oh, you know, you may not need to do that because it'll start menopause really fast and you need, you know, all your estrogen or whatever it's supposed to be, child. I don't know. But I also need to be healthy and not bleeding as much as I'm bleeding as well. So I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I hate the way the flowers turned out, but child, it is what it is. I tried, whatever.